time has come. We've pulled up to the Yamaha dealership. It's Southwest Yamaha. Oh, for the vlog. Got the f***ing Lancer front wheel drive, just having a crack, he reckons. Hey, breaking them loose. Champion. Yeah, so Yamaha in Bunbury, Southwest Yamaha. I've actually got a bit of a sponsorship with them. They're interested in working with me. So the deal is they actually allow me to pay full retail, 18 grand, and in exchange they give me a WR. So thank you, Southwest Yamaha. Let's go say hello. How's it going, mate?
Hello mate, how are you?
Good. Do you have any WR450s for sale?
New?
Yeah. Sweet, I'll take one.
Easy.
That was an easy sale for you.
It's a bit like that, wasn't it?
Too easy. Does it have any fuel in it?
It's full and ready to roll.
Full?
Yeah, you want me to wheel it out somewhere so you can...
Yeah, can we wheel it outside a little bit?
Yeah, do you?
Great.
Build the thing.
Would you be able to hold that for a little bit? So, how do you go for running them in?
Just be sort of nice to it for a couple of tanks of fuel and that's about it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Just start it?
Yeah, am I filming you right now?
Yeah. Oh, didn't like that.
Nothing quite like a rev limiter for a cold motor, eh?
I'll take it, brother. Run in, done. So, other than ripping people off, what's your favourite part about being a bike dealer?
Honestly, the bit...
Hell yeah, merched up, Yamaha Southwest. Come get a deal, 1% finance, a full retail. Oh.
This poor motorbike.
Alright, it's the next day. We got the WR out in the forest. I know what you guys are thinking, but do not worry about the welfare of the WR. The thing about these Yamahas is they're absolutely bulletproof. And that is no biased, hands down, no bias at all. My YZ has copped some serious punishment over the last couple of years. So I'm going to be proving to you how much of a beating these bikes can take. One thing that I don't like about the WRs and the YZs is these radiator fins. The angle on them isn't acute enough, so rocks just smash straight through there, and I've had a couple of radiator punctures from it. It's my only gripe with the bike. But, so to replicate getting roosted, bucket of rocks. Just copped a whole lot of roost. Rocks absolutely stuck. And these aren't small rocks either. So if you're getting them projectiled at you, they're going through the radiator. So first course of action, replace those with some decent ones. Headlight's fine though. Headlight loved it. And it's just the other side. What are you worried about a bucket? I can only throw that probably like 40 kilometers an hour. When you're getting roosted going bloody over 100, the projectiles coming at you are going way quicker than that. So who gives a People say that you should keep the stock plastics really good and take them off the bike before you ride it and then put them back on for resale. But we're on a budget. We're content creators. It's an investment I'm not seeing on returns on yet. So we just got to make our own graphics up. So here we have some nice letterbox lettering, courtesy of Bunnings. If you're not from Australia, Bunnings is our major home hardware store. It's better work. Whole video's running on this letter. 2 hours later. Couple of lots still in there.
If you haven't guessed it, can you guess what he's gonna do?
Brand new bike, that is mint. Let's give this some time to dry. Oh, look how the drops are coming down. That's gonna look wicked. Hell yes. Call me Picasso. Freaking rocks down in the old, oh, we still got some.
Got a fan.
In the thermo fan. So that's a potential design flaw. See if we can knock any more down there. Mucking up the paint job a little bit. Damn it! It was mint before that! Another thing that wasn't the best about the YZs was they had the air intake coming from the front, so that would pose a bit of an issue when you're getting roosted with sand, lots of sand getting into the airbox. I don't actually know where the air gets drawn in here, but basically we're just going to flog it full of sand, see if any gets into the airbox while it's running.
Are we going to be able to go for a ride after this?
It would have failed the durability test if we can't ride it after this. I'm here to give these freaking new bikes a serious workout, serious test, so you know what you're getting when you go to the store to buy one. So I can fucking cop a flogging, eh? Well, this one is anyway. Well, that's ready.
Peel it off, sunshine.
Let's see the T-Mac Moto Touring come to life. Oh, yeesh. This is going for a bit of abstract art, I reckon. Yes! T-Mac Moto Touring to the frickin' death, boy. Next test, we're going to see if we can get any sand into the airbox. See if it still has the old YZ issue. Play the clip. So, we just had a crash, simulation, sand everywhere. Let's see if we can shake it off. No sand in the engine bay. Before we pass the sand test, let's have a look at the airbox. See if there's anything in there. If there's nothing in there, it's just a bloody engineering marvel. Oh, have a geez, brother. That was from our little ride before. If I'd thrown that into the front of a YZ, that whole airbox would be caked, so big tick there. Durability test, kickstand. I've just done a 200-foot jump, flat landed, straight back up, no issues. Pass for the kickstand. The cornerstone of any hard enduro bike is having tough plastics. So let's test out the durability of these ones. Ah! Didn't hurt. Ah! Fine, wipe straight off. Come to a creek crossing, you're stuck. See if we can lift it with the fender, eh? Oh, all the weight on the fender. It's like walking a dog. That was a little bit of a workout. Pass for the plastics. This is good, man. It actually doubles as just straight up fitness equipment. You don't even need to ride it to get fit, man. Just fucking durability tests all the way, brother. I'm durability test fit, not ride fit. Broken. Now you're getting the hang of it. See, you're letting go of materialism, brother. That's what it's all about.
What's the go here?
I'm gonna see if I can deadlift this bike. Do you think a durable bike should be heavier or lighter? I'm not too sure. I think a durable bike should be as heavy as possible, like a tank. So therefore, if I can deadlift this bike, then it fails the durability weight test. Oh, yeah. The exhaust is still hot. Oh, that's an Atlas stone carry, not quite a deadlift.
How good did that logo turn out, mate?
Ask the fans. Leave a comment if you want TMMT, T-Mac Moto Touring on the side of your bike. I'll be happy to oblige. Say if this was the almighty tank-like object that we say it is, I shouldn't be able to do this really. Oh, it's a bit of a low carry actually. Maybe I'll try here. Alright, other side. It's too high, the straps. It sounded like that Mumbo 5 song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the castle, come on, let's drive. It's not gonna look new again like it did last week. Deadlift achieve. Weight durability test. Bow. Picture this. I just bought my new WR. Everything's hunky-dory, having a whale of a time. Inevitably, you're gonna drop it for the first time. Oh no, I've dropped it. There happens to be a cinder block on the ground. It's actually pretty tough.
This WR's not going to let you win.
You drop your bike for the first time. Oh no, there's a hacksaw blade on the ground. Oh no, there's a pair of pliers on the ground. Oh no, there's a pair of side cutters on the ground. Oh. All right. So you've dropped it for the first time. Sand straight in the throttle tube. Annoying, frustrating, having a whale of a time before then. First thing that I like to do is buy a new pair of grips, bolt-ons. I slice off the end and then I put bar ends on the end of them, and then that stops sand getting in your throttle tube and into your bars. First phase over, second phase riding. A little bit like
Hard to hold on to.
a little bit of work to
I reckon there's something wrong with it, because that was fucking starting to spit coolant out like when you just let it out in first.
There's nothing wrong with this WR.
Oh well. I don't have time for that.
They're tough as nails. Never doubt a frickin' Yamaha. looks like training wheels. Because obviously I'm scraping this guard way before I'm scraping that guard. Like this thing just took it like a freaking champ, hey? All right, it passed the 5th gear burnout, but can it do a 5th gear race start? Oh, yeah, she's definitely in now. That's a guaranteed hole shot right there. What are you laughing at?
That was slow as
It's literally passed every single test we could throw at it. Like, these things are literally bulletproof. I could literally get this hammer, swing it up as hard as I can into the casing, nothing will happen. Bulletproof. Let's get a good shot of it. Even I'm not that psycho. The WR handled everything that we threw at it today, figuratively and literally. Handled it like an absolute champ, like I knew she would. If you made it this far in the video, cheers for watching. Heaps of big stuff still to come for this year. We're planning, we're prepping. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's get it.